The Land Rover LR4 2010 to 2016 key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Symptoms of a weak battery include reduced range, less than 20 to 30 feet, or intermittent function. Replacing the battery yourself is a straightforward process. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, typically $15, and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. This video will show you how to do it safely and effectively. Gently pry open the key fob casing using your tool. Insert the tool into the seam and carefully separate the two halves. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the correct orientation, positive side up. Clean any corrosion with a dry cloth. Insert the new battery with the positive side up. Snap the fob back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by unlocking your LR4. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and that the fob is fully closed. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries for environmental benefits.